So recently one logistics stock caught my attention and I dig deeper into this stock and I really found the fundamentals of this stock interesting, and not only that, the price action is also interesting. So this stock was listed almost 2 years back, and today we are going to do the complete analysis of this stock and we'll see why this stock is special and why it is important for us as wise investors. What is the name of the stock? It is AFCOM Holdings. So let me start the video. We'll start the analysis, but just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite and not on the advice of anyone else, right? So with that said, let's go to the screen. All right, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of AFCOM Holdings and I'll share the link in the description section. Please go through it and you will definitely find valuable information from their official website. Okay, now coming to the fundamentals. Okay, so it was incorporated in the year 2013. Okay, and AFCOM Holdings Limited is involved in transporting cargo on an airport to airport basis. Okay, this is their main business. Now the market cap of the stock is 2824 crores, so that makes it a small cap stock. Okay, now let's take a look at the other fundamentals. So the current stock price is just below 1000 at 983. Reserves it has is 195 and a small debt of 26 crore. The debt to equity ratio is good at 0.12. 3 years average sales growth is good at 70.37 and 3 years average profit growth is also very good. But the earning per share is negative because it was recently listed 2 years back. That's why due to the issue of new shares, the earning per share is in negative. Okay, now interest coverage ratio is also a very good number of 46. Current ratio is also very good. Operating profit margin is 34 and the industry P is 23.37 and stock P is 23.37. So it is at par with the industry P. Okay, now Altman Z score is excellent at 21.63. Now coming to the profit and loss statement, we can see a clear increase in growth in when it comes to sales, 148 crores to 239 crores, then 493 crores in the trailing 12 months. So that's a massive jump. Now operating profit 36 crore to 69, then 170. That's a massive jump as well. Operating profit margin is also growing from 24% to 29, then 34%. And same with earning per share, 14.12, 19.48 and 47.88. So that's a clear jump in earning per share as well. Now coming to shareholding pattern. So when we compare last 2 quarters data, we get to see that the promoters have reduced their stake from 40.61% to 36.89%. But at the same time, FIs have sharply increased their stake from 0.05% to 1.02%. And DIs have increased from 0.85% to 6.55%. So that's a massive jump, almost 5% increase. And as a result, the public holding has gone down, which is a good thing. So overall, I would say this stock has seen tremendous growth in the last 2 to 3 years, and the shareholding pattern is also giving a very good picture about this stock. So that is all about the fundamentals. Now if you are liking the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. And if you want any of the products shown in this video, like where I got this microphone from, this monitor and all these things, I have shared the link in the description section. You can go and check them out. Okay, now coming to the price action. Let me first take you to the price action of AFCOM Holdings. Okay, so this is AFCOM Holdings and you can see it was listed in August 2024, and after that it gave a massive rally of almost 500% in half years, I mean 6 months, right? But then the consolidation phase started. Okay, and it was sideways. Now if I want to find out the price where there is maximum volume, maximum interest for the stock, the simple thing I will use is the fixed range volume profile. I will use this high and the low. Okay, and what do I get? I get this line here. Okay, this is the line and I can draw one red line. Okay, I have drawn one red line aligning with the point of control of the fixed range volume profile, and this is the line. And one thing we need to notice, I am now removing the tool here so that the chart remains clean. We can see the stock has actually jumped above this level and now it is trying to use it as a support. When I go to the daily time frame, I can clearly see that. You can see this big green candle of 12% on a single day, then followed by another 6.78%. So let's see the volume of these two candles. If this is high, then definitely we'll say that yes, the volume has some significance, and yes, the volume actually is showing a good jump. Okay, very high volume from this one and this one as well, above the black line, that means above the average. Then it tried to use this level as the support. Now if I simply put the 50 EMA, I can clearly see that the 50 EMA has gone up and the stock is currently trading above the 50 EMA. But will the stock continue from here like this? Well, maybe not. Why? Because I believe that the stock might need little bit of more correction. Okay, what I expect the stock to do is it might come down again and then form some basing pattern and then go up, and by that time you will see the 50 EMA coming to this place and giving it support. That is very likely to happen, but the thing is that it is very close to starting a new trend or a new journey. That is what I can say, and I can also draw one trend line here connecting these points. Okay, connecting these points, you can see the trend line has 3 touch points. One is here, one is here. Okay, 2 candles, then another here, and we can also consider this one, and we can see there is break above the trend line as well as the level. Okay, this level, so that's a good thing. And if we check the momentum indicators, we can see there is a crossover in weekly time frame in MACD here, and also the same thing we are getting to see in the RSI as well. It has gone up above the 50 and above the average line, so very likely it is about to go above the 60 line, and that will mark the beginning of a new uptrend. So I would say keep this stock in your watch list, keep watching the price action, and do the homework for this stock. Do proper analysis, whatever the information you can collect about this stock, and then if you are convinced, then go ahead with your plans. Okay, I just wanted to highlight this stock. I wanted to bring this stock in front of the people, my subscribers and viewers, so that you do not miss any good investment opportunity. And I know the market is currently very choppy, very risky. There is no clear direction, so that's why it is important for us that we pick only high quality stocks. Okay, so that was all about this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, share this video with other people, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.